275 days ago, another war started. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday, July the 8th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 Star Sudoku and the 4 Star Sudoku and the binary. Yes, three regular puzzles. In this newspaper we have also additional extra puzzles. I'll show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Yes. Look, Monday, July the 8th, 2024. We have also a 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyber block, in Japanese Sugu. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles here. First one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. And yeah, the news of today, I've told you 275 days ago another war started, but not in Ukraine. It's in oh, apologies about the camera. In Israel, still continuing. Not so good news. It's a lot of, I think more than 9 months, I believe. Yeah, and those people are suffering. All right, the first one. Let me zoom this. The 3 star Sudoku. This will be number 8861. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle we need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so they'll come next. Only place level 5 should be there. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this one, no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box level 5 in this big square should be there. 5, okay. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8. 2, okay. 4. What, 6, need a 6 here. And I need, well, 7 in the 3rd row, 7 in the 2nd row, so the 1st row. Only place level 7 should be now. 2, 5, 8, 2. 6, need a 9, need a 3 in this row. 3 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. 1. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. How about no 9. 9. Need a 9 there. Yeah. 7. Need a 4 here. I'm thinking. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So that row. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column. Third column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about 9? Need a 9. Yeah. 9, 6, 4. Well, in this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 9, the 6, and the 4. We have 9, the 6, and the 4 in this column, so no 9, 6, and the 4 in these 3 boxes. 9, 6, and the 4 goes in those 3 boxes as a pair. 9, 6, and 4, 9, 6, 4, 9, 6, and a 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there, 4 could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, so the 9 could be here, could be there. And the 6 could be everywhere. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That means 1 digit left in this column for number, I believe, the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the column. So it's 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left is 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this column. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first column. 7 in the second column. So the third column. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7, okay. Then, yeah, I need a 1 here. 9, 6. 1, 9, 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Well. Let me see. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Well. We have 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square, could be here, could be there. We need in this column 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so no 3 there. So the only place level 3 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 2. Okay. Alright, and now come on. 9. I'm thinking. In this row we need a 9. Middle row. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. In the middle row, we need a 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in this column. So no 4 there. So the 4 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2. The 3 is missing. Okay, mark those 2 boxes early with the 3. We have a 3 now in the first column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. Do we have all the 3s? No. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3, alright. 2, 2. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 and a 9, and I need a 6 here. Well, I need a 4 there. No, need a 4 here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left for 4 should be there. Yeah, no 4 here. Need a 4 there. Alright. 2, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 2 in the third column, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 and a 9. We have 2 now in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9 cannot fill this yet. Here also 6 and a 9. Need a 1 here, 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. So the 9 and the 6 are left. Need a 1 here, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 1. Here we have a 1. That means in this row we need a 1 in one of these 2 boxes. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. So 9, 6, and the 4. So we have a 9 here. So the 6 and the 4 are left. 6 and the 4. Come on. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Need a 2 here. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9. How about here? 2, 4. Yeah, I need a 9. Need a 9. 2, 4, 9, and a 6. 6, 6. Need a 6 here or there. Need a 6 there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 9 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 9 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 or 6, we have a 9 here, so this box should be a 6. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this first row for number 6 then. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow, maybe I talked too much in the beginning, but yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.